When I first saw Superfly, it was something that changed my life forever.
Curtis Mayfield destroyed that soundtrack.
Curtis Mayfield had a vision that I wanted to hand the music to someone that would understand the world, and there's only one person. It's Future.
We grew up on Curtis Mayfield like a religion in the household. I just wanted to take some inspiration, do my own sound, my own twist. For the heart of Curtis.
In the movie theater, you feel the bass, you feel it in your chest.
Tonight, we're gonna turn up.
You can walk on mix, baby. You can walk on mix. You can walk on mix, baby. You can walk on mix now.